Everything. I don't need a piece of everything. That's good.
I wonder what that is.
Yeah, honey. That's good.
I always forget to get the butter.
Yeah, that's good.
Hey, the washer! What's the matter with this thing?
What's the matter with it?
I don't know.
I don't know what's the matter with it. Gee, honey, this never happened before, did it?
Never, never.
Hey, Fred, that's too bad.
Yeah, this is really a mess. It's a good thing we found out in time.
I'll say. Yeah. Found out in time for what?
I mean, before the deal went through.
What do you mean, before the deal went through?
Yeah. Well, I hope you don't think we're buying this piece of junk.
You already bought it.
I did not. No money changed hands.
You took possession of the merchandise. That's the same thing.
Yeah.
I told you we should have sold it to them.
You didn't.
Not much I did. You're going to pay me for this washing machine.
He is not. He is too. He is not.
He is too.
He is not. I mean, I am not.
You're not going to unload this lemon on us.
Lemon. Mira que tiene el coraje de decirle a uno ahora que no quieren comprar la máquina de lavar.
Yeah. I can see it all now. They knew this was a bum machine. They knew it didn't have any trade-in value, so they cagily planned to palm it off on us. Palm it off? You begged us to let you have it. Begged?
Yeah, beg. He says I'm a very handy man with tools. If anything goes wrong, I can fix it. Y entonces usted, señora, dijo, a mí no me importa nada. It won't harm our friendship a little bit.
No, yeah, some friendship. That was before we knew you were cheating us.
Cheating!
There's been no cheating going on, but there's been plenty of welching.
Welching? I'll make you to haul this hunk of junk out of our kitchen.
It is immaterial to me, Mr. Mertzs, what you do with your old appliances after you ruin them.
Well said.
Thank you. Come on, Lucy. And I shall expect the check in the mailbox in the morning, or I'll see my lawyer.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah!